It's a hot day at the Coliseum, but for Colorado, Anthony, they're off to a great start. They're the only unbeaten team in conference play in the South.
I feel so loose.
Let's go, baby, right off the bat. Start fast. Start fast.
When we pass rush, we are one move away from getting home to the quarterback.
Execution fuels emotion. You go out there and execute and have the time of your life. Defense, at the end of the day, you keep bringing it at all costs. Play like a Trojan.
Play action to Jones. Wind up, throw him after Bebe is open. Diving catch at the goal line. He's got it. It's a touchdown. USC. The first career touchdown catch of what we think will be many for the outstanding freshman tight end Daniel and Matt Bebe. Fumble in the backfield. Darnold picks it up. He's been good at this lately. Rolling around in the backfield. Winds and throws. It's complete at the 10-yard line. 5-yard line. Touchdown, Tyler Petit. Touchdown, USC. There are no flags, and Sam Darnold has turned nothing into something again. How do you do? Darnold back to pass on 3rd and 5. Throws. It's complete. Another tight end. Tyler Petit, touchdown, and the Trojans have the lead. And the Trojans hang on and beat 21st ranked Colorado for the 11th straight time without a loss. The ball game is over, and the Trojans have won it 21-17.